Hello, 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 guys. Welcome back again to my channel. And if you're new to me, my name is Georgette, and a little bit about my channel. My channel strive to inspire you, to motivate you, and in doing so, oh my, you may just be transformed like I have done through manifesting and through practicing the law of attraction. So today it's all about manifestation. And so if you haven't subscribed, please hold on to your subscribe to the end, then smash in on the subscribe, like, and share, and drop me a comment in the box below at the end. Get a little bit of value first, because I strive to inspire you. So I want for you to listen, and then you can go ahead and subscribe. But guys, I did a video, I think a week ago, and I spoke about how to attract money in 24 hours. I gave you guys 3 steps that I was going to try that night. And guess what? I manifested over $900 within 24 hours of doing that. It works. You could go back to the video. The video title has monies, and it says attract money within 24 hours. Must try. Go ahead. It's about a week ago. I have one testimony as well. I told the lady to comment under the video that she did manifest money within 24 hours. Guys, it works. It is 3 powerful steps. I won't go in detail, but I will give you a little bit of each of the steps that you need to try. But if you really want the entire video, go back to the video that says attract money within 24 hours. Okay? And so, oh my gosh, it works. I manifested over $900 within 24 hours. And so the steps that I gave is that we have creative energy. We have power to create. We are co-creators. We have powers within us. As I'm saying this, there's a time I did not believe that, but we are powerful. We have superpower. And how you bring out that superpower is through meditation and visualization. You can get anything you want through meditation and visualization. Just be clear on what you want. And so the first step is that we have creative energy. Okay? We are creative beings. We give birth to babies, right? So we can use that same energy to create money, anything that we want. So for us female, where do we birth? We birth from down there. The sexual energies are down there. Men, very same thing. And so you have to learn how to use one of the most powerful energies there is, because we create with that, is our sexual energies. Because remember now, we create through that. And so what we can do is use that energy to create wealth and whatever. Yes, you can. And so through meditation, I give you a little bit what I did and what the steps are. Through meditation, as you're taking those deep breaths and inhaling, you're inhaling from way down deep within where you create from. And you're locking that and squeezing the abdomen and bring that energy up to the third eye. Okay? And you're holding it here. And you're picturing what it is that you desire, the dollar amount, whether it's on your bank account, whether it's online banking, you use your online banking, you're going to picture that on your laptop, your iPhone, your Android phone, your iPad. You're going to picture the dollar amount. And that was the first step I gave. But I have in detail, in depth, the other video I did, how to attract money within 24 hours. The next step was we're mostly water. So you can use water to manifest anything. And they have a thing called the 2-cup method or quantum jumping or whatever. But this is so simple. Right before going off to bed, I got a little glass of water and I held it with my palms open. and I visualized what I wanted and chanting affirmations. Go back to that video. The third step I did was I took a dollar bill, and as I imagined the dollar amount, I put it away and I imagined it, and then I brought it very close to my eye and I looked at it, but I'm seeing the dollar amount. And then at the end, I placed that dollar bill on the inside of my pillow, and I rested my head on that, and I went off to sleep chanting the money affirmation. I promise you, within 24 hours, and I'm going to share with you how that happened. Within 24 hours, I received over $900. How I did that? It wasn't me. I manifested it because I have the power. So 2 years ago, I invested in, I think it was XRP Ripple. I know nothing about these coins, but I just know that these coins are going to take over, right? There's going to come a time when these coins are going to take over. And I invested $1,000 in the XRP Ripple. And I think I paid 12 cents at that time. And then I think last year I checked it out. I said, okay, it's the time of the coronavirus. I don't know if it dropped. I checked it out. It was down to like 1 cent. I lost everything. I was in the negative. But I didn't even know how to read it. So I checked with my girlfriend. She said, Georgia, you have no money. It is all gone because the XRP Ripple is down to 1 cent and you bought it for 12 cents. So you're in the negative. I'm like, oh. I said, okay. So I knew I lost it. So I forgot about it. But my older girl, she's into this coins, the Dogecoin, the XRP Ripple, Bitcoin, and she's in all of those things, and she is invested. And so anyhow, we got talking about coins. I said, Mommy, you need to really, this is how the world is going to be. And so I'm like, I'm not into that. I'm a motivational speaker. That's the route I'm taking. I'm into making money online in terms of affiliate marketing and other things. And then I said, you know what? A couple years ago, this is within the 24 hours, guys. That's what happened. Your intuition and inspired action and people will come into your existence that will cause you to realize you have money, or someone will just come and bring you money. But I'm going to tell you how I attracted my money. And my daughter said, a couple of years ago, I invested and I called it the wrong name anyhow. She said, Mommy, there's no coin by that name. I said, yeah, eToro. She said, no, eToro is an app. So what I did, I signed up on eToro, the app, and I purchased the XRP Ripple. This young man, my girlfriend's son, he was into it, and he said, Georgia, this is going to take off, you know? And so another girlfriend of mine, he came right in the house and he showed us the steps, how to do it. I think I took notes. But when you really don't have an interest in something, I just said, okay, I had $1,000. I said, okay. And it was a January. You know, every January, excuse me, every January, we all want to do something different. And I'm that way. You know, it's a new year. I'm not that way anymore. I take action all year long. It's a new year. I want to do something different. I heard about the coins. So I had $1,000. I just dumped it into the XRP Ripple on the eToro app. So I lost all of it because it was like 1 cent last year. And then my daughter said, Mommy, how are you on eToro? eToro no longer supports where I live. They're no longer here. And so I said, okay, let me check it out. When I went on the app that evening, within 24 hours, I had $922.34 available waiting for me to withdraw it, because I could no longer, when it came back up, it was 49 cents. When it came back up, my funds came back in except for $80. So I don't know if I lost $80, whatever. It was now almost $80, 77 bucks and some coins, because I had $922.34. And I said, ooh, look what I have. She said, oh, Mommy, you have all of that invested? Then she said, but it's not fluctuating up and down. When your funds are invested, stocks goes up and down. It just says available. She said, so I said, oh, they must have kicked me out because I got an email a while back that they're no longer going to be, I can no longer use the eToro app. And I said, but I never paid any attention. I just never did. She said, well, Mom, you need to go and get your money and transfer your money back to your account. And within that same 24 hours, I transferred my funds back into my account. And I got my funds. It took a day or two, and my funds became available back in my account. Within 24 hours of doing these 3 powerful steps, visualizing, holding it down from where we birth, using those energies and bringing it all the way up and holding it, squeeze the abdomen, squeeze down the birthing section for us females, even for men, using the water and using the dollar bill. The 3 steps are in the other video. And within 24 hours, I manifested and I attracted my funds back. If I did not, if I didn't do it, because I just knew I lost it. And I was okay with it back then, okay, what a bummer. I knew that investing, your money goes up and down and you can lose it. But what happens is that when you come to a place of really manifesting and attracting, you will bring people to you. You will bring situations. You will cause situations. You will cause so many things. You never know how it's going to happen. Someone will just give you money. And I've had that happen to me before. A girlfriend of mine just called me out the blue and deposited $500 onto my account. But within this 24 hours, I manifested over $900 after doing this 3 steps. It totally blew me away. Totally blew me away. So if you want to manifest within 24 hours, follow these 3 steps. Check out the other video that has the detailed steps. I promise you, I'll be doing it again. I will be doing it again for something else. So guys, I hope you gain a little bit of value with my story and how I manifested over $900 in 24 hours. And so now, if you like my video, if you like me, please smash in on the subscribe, like, and share this video so other people can also manifest whatever they want. You can manifest your soulmate. You can manifest your dream car. Just have to be very clear on what it is that you desire. So in the link below, I will teach you the step-by-step how to manifest fast. And I'm going to leave you a free gift as well below. So grab your free gift. Check out the guide to manifest fast and in a hurry. Keep watching, guys. I thank you for visiting my channel. I'm leaving videos popping up for your pleasure. I love you. I send you love and light. As always, it's your girl, Georgette. Much love. Mwah. Bye now.